Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam. Jazz is over here. We just pulled up to the My D Pens event. We're really excited to be here to be pen trading. It's been a while since we've been to like a community event. So we just pulled up, like I said. We're here, about to get a table. Let's go. Luckily, we were able to get a table at the end. Is there a little setup? This is what we stayed up till like almost 1 a.m. doing. If you guys saw that video. If not, check it out real quick. It's just a little insight of how we were organizing. I did a whoops, guys. I said I wasn't gonna drink any mainstream coffee places, but here I am drinking a mainstream coffee place. I got up and decided to look around to add some pens. Pretty good stuff here. A lot of stuff I don't really see too much. I am looking at some of these, so I am willing to do like multiple pens for some. What's it called? I don't know if you guys know, but we have like an outside cat, and like Jasmine calls him Bagheera because he's a black cat. So might be interested in that one. Jasmine's probably interested in that one. I'm interested in that one. But like I said, I'm probably gonna have to do multiple, but we'll see. All right, so I did have someone interested in this pen. It is a LE500 DSSH pen. It is a Toys for Tot one, so you have to donate the toy to get it for free. It's kind of hard to tell right now because I haven't seen this on eBay as sold. It's listed in a lot for $150, but obviously I'm not gonna value it at that. But yeah, I'm just trying to see what I can do. All right, made a few trades already. Doing good so far. All right, so we're trading this Ray one. That's the one we're getting, and we're trading away this Snow White cell phone, cone phone. One of those. Thank you. Over here, trying to do this trade. A lot of good pins here, honestly. Yeah, this is stuff you don't really see. Nice. Which one do you like?
Oh, the Adorts.
Oh yeah. Woods. What do you have that one at?
I think I have it at like 15, 20.
If you find something for that one too, I'd be interested in trading. So for right now, I'm gonna do.
No, I don't. I'm just decently lucky and good at it.
You do the Mushu?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll do that one.
Yes.
Just traded this sweet little girl. One of Jasmine's Barbie pins. They had really good pins, so I was not gonna take anything crazy, but we just got this little thumper.
Oh, yeah,
it's pretty cool.
They had like older, like really different.
Yeah. Here's the scene about 30 minutes into the event. Here until 6, but we ain't gonna be here until 6. All right, so we're doing a multiple pin trade here.
This is the one I don't know what value it is because I've never seen it. The rest look like the
Let's see.
Do you know what this was from? Was it that same one from the aliens or no?
No.
Hey, I know.
No, it's just an older pin.
Good luck. Come back and come back again.
Okay, so we're gonna do multiple trades.
Sometimes. Check and then come back. Hey, friends.
All right, so yeah, here we go. We're doing values, so it's like 15. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so it's like that, this. No, I know. Yeah, it's okay. We'll do that. Do that. Yeah, there you go. So it's just like that. Cool. Okay.
The stack hats, so many options. Probably like 2 uses.
Oh yeah, that one's cool.
No, sorry, Max.
Yeah, whatever you want to do, Jess. They're your pins.
How many animatronic aerials are in the aerial you ride?
Can I take a look at this?
Yeah,
Yeah, I was gonna say I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's one for from like way back in the day.
Yeah, him and the lad.
Wait, right next to the part where they're questioning the guy, the bear, and the tipping barrel. After the barrel,
Oh,
and then
nice.
at the very end when you leave.
Yeah, I get it.
No, I'm okay. No, look at that. All right, we're making trades. We're making multiple trades. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I did mess up, and
Yeah.
I did mess up. I did 6 for 4.
Yeah, when somebody who's
I can't count, but it's all good. Okay, so we're trading these two. We're doing a multiple trade again. They wanted these two. I'm kind of interested in these two, maybe.
Yeah, I thought it was under about that.
That was cool, but I think I'm okay. Okay, remember we always trade for Sanrio pins as well, so we can trade those two. Nice. Quick little update. This X-Men box is really cool. I didn't get any. They're fake pins, and these two. Jasmine likes those. It's kind of funny because like I try to make it a point to collect Stitch to trade out, but I've only traded 1 Stitch so far. I think. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. So I keep getting Stitch. Small update, 2.5 hours, we're in. It's flew by. Traded a good amount so far. Well, to us, this is a good amount, honestly.
we don't have anything crazy.
No, we don't. It's always good to bring small pins because it makes it a whole lot easier. Because, like, I'm not going to lie, like, some people came up to us and they're like, oh, we see a few that we like. And it's like, all right, cool. Yeah, it's like ridiculous pins that are like at least $30, $40, but we don't really have, obviously. So it's like, I feel like I can't be like, yeah, let me get this one or that one, but it's really nice when people have small pins as well. Another multi-pin trade. Got those from us that we're trading away. A lot of pins.
Very organized.
I'm looking for that one. The Dumbo one.
That was crazy.
You guys are very organized. I tried. It was hard.
Just to let you know, I will be here tomorrow too.
Nice. Things are heating up.
Grizzly River was always my favorite ride.
Do you have some snow?
Yeah, I do. I'm at this gentleman's over here. He's gonna do some trivia. Go ahead.
Okay. Let me see here. Almost there. Which one? You gotta find the right one. Okay, first question. You only get three questions. One answer, one right.
Yeah.
And you win.
Okay.
Okay. How many countries are there in a small world ride?
Is it 11?
Sorry, 10.
10.
Hey,
Okay,
you
so that's
still have
close.
two more questions?
Okay, all right.
All right. What is the first animatronic you see on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride? Moving animatronic that you see on the ride itself.
Thinking.
Remember, the walking in is not part of the ride.
Is it the old man?
Very good. The old man in the rocking chair.
Yeah, there you go.
Here you go.
I'm gonna get the Frontierland one. Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I am kind of clinging on to it because everyone I trade with asks about it. So I'm waiting
because I never see anything like
for
that.
something to come out.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you have this one at?
Like 10, 15.
Okay.
Is that a fantasy?
It is fantasy.
Okay.
It's really
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Would
Whatever.
you do this one for one of them? Or?
Yeah, one of them.
I would definitely do it for one.
Had some visitors.
Very important visitor.
Say hi. Or not.
I'm chewing, bro.
Okay, so we've been doing some more trading. It gets really busy, so it's like kind of hard to record sometimes. But yeah, just been doing this. Shout out to Jason and Jessica, man. I've been wanting this pin for so long. I'm so happy to have it. She's out.
Concentrated too hard.
All right, so it's like 3:30. Things have thinned out tremendously, but at the same time, we made a lot of trades, so I can't wait to show you guys later. All right, so before I get into the full haul, I just want to say thank you again to everybody that traded with us for making this possible. And again, we do trade for pretty much anything. So here's the haul overall. Sorry if my hand is shaking. I don't know why it is. And these are the big pins we traded for. Pretty cool. What's your favorite one, Jez, that we got? Sorry to put you on the spot. I really like this one. It's like a camera.
I like the Alice above that one that you just showed.
Oh yeah, that one's cool. Yeah. It's for an anniversary. Oh, I'm doing this with one hand. Sorry. See, there's other pins in this set as well. This one's cool too. The alien. I really like this one too. Cowboy Pooh. It's just funny. I showed Jasmine's dad that one earlier, and he just chuckled. This one too. Another set in the what's it called? What's it called? Pin blogs, Disney pin blogs, stained glass series for Pixar.
And the DEC one's nice.
Yes, and this one as well. I've been wanting that one for years, so glad to have it. But yeah, other than that, let us know how we did. So yes, from all those pins that we traded, this is what it did to our book. Pretty cool, honestly. A lot of my Pixar ones went.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we tried to organize it like by character-ish, so that shows like the popularity, I guess.
Yeah, Star Wars went pretty decent. Pixar for sure. The Stitch, the miscellaneous like Disney ones.
That was all Pixar.
Unfortunately, Jasmine was not really able to move many of the Nightmare ones.
What, like one?
Probably like three on this page or so. And then a few Marvel went, some Lion King went, and yeah. So
That was a miscellaneous. Oh, animals or something.
yeah. So we're gonna refill the whatever we have with pins that we decided to hold out on for day 2. We'll see what we can do. Oh, and I also didn't really trade too many Munchlings, unfortunately. Hidden Disney's always go to, and then
that was cats.
So that's it. That's our haul for the day. Our social batteries are completely drained, but it was really nice trading with everybody. Shout out to everybody again that decided to stop by and talk to us and trade with us and everything. Haven't seen some of you guys in a long time, so it was really nice to see everybody again. Looking forward to the next day of trading, so stick around for that video. So please do subscribe if you aren't already. Please do follow us on Instagram at AdamChrisPins with a Z. And anything?
I just want to say thank you to everyone who said hi. I don't know if you said that, but it was nice talking to everybody and just catching up.
Are you drained? I'm drained.
Yeah, I don't get out of the house much, so I'm talking to a baby all day, so it was like actual other human interaction, so it was nice.
But yeah, guys, so sorry if the haul is like longer than the video. It's probably not. I'm just.
No, it's not.
All right, guys. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.